welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share with you my January, I think this is the January box from CraftyBonbons. This is called Wild About You, I think. So I'm a bit late for the party because things have been very busy, but here we go. I just wanted to share this with you. So right. Ooh, it's lovely. It's pink. Oh, okay. So I've asked for a B6 Traveler's Notebook insert, and this is the A4 size. So first thing I can see is a bunch of journaling cards. Oh, this is nice. Like animals. These are like mostly animal themed and stuff. That's really cool. And then I'm gonna put, oh, there's another one. It says Wild About You. I love that. Now you always get a CraftyBonbons information sheet about their Facebook group and Etsy shop. You get, on this pack, you get some vinyls. They personalize some of the things that they send to you. Cheryl is my spirit animal. Oh, nice. Pandemonium. Cute. So yeah, so these are a bunch of vinyls. Hakuna Matata. Born to be Wild. Yep. I like Hakuna Matata. And you've got this like, oh, that is really cute. That is really great. Alright, I'll put that in there. So those are the vinyls. Oh, I love that. And as I said, I asked for a B6 size insert. Oh, I like the purple. That is so cute. And then you get this kind of like outer cover. Oh, it's like a laminated, but it isn't. I'm not sure. Oh, I love that. And that can go. Life is a journey. That is cute. That is really nice. And 2 washi tapes. I think that's a sloth one, and this one is a star. Oops. You get like an animal print pen. I'm sure this is black ink. No, purple. Oh, lovely. It's a purple ink. You get a packet of buttons. Like, I think they're called tortoise shell buttons. Really cool. You get a packet again. This is like a foiled sticker or die cuts, I'm sure. Is this a sticker? No, they're foiled die cuts. So, oh my goodness, they're really. Coffee is my spirit animal. Oh, that is really good. Roar. Easy, tiger. I love that. It's always crammed full again, as usual. You also get these little die cuts, like geometric die cuts. Oh, 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 oh. I'm gonna borrow this. So that's I think that's a gorilla. That's a lion, a rhinoceros, a few leaves. What's that? Oh, toucan. Leaves, and another toucan. Oh, how they're really gorgeous. Where is that to? Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna sort that out in a minute. Then you get a glitter bow clip. You also get a ribbon, green ribbon. Then you get this little, oh, I don't know whether that's a hair. I don't know whether this is a sticker or something. No, it's not. Don't destroy it, Cheryl. I don't know what this is. It looks like a sticker, feels like a sticker. I'm not sure. I might destroy it. Oh yes, it is a sticker. It is a like see-through, like transparent sticker. There you go. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, you get 2 strips of them. It's so cute. You get another packet of die cuts with a pom-pom clip and a little, what's that? Oh, this is not die cuts. These are like tabs. So this is like an envelope. And you then get tabs and another foiled heart and a elephant, like a embellishment, and a pom-pom clip. There's a lot in here. Whoops. Okay. And you then again, this is like a bookmarker, magnetic clip bookmarker. It's an animal print. And then you get a cat post-it note. That's really cute. Get, oh my god, there's a lot. There's a lot. You get a another paper clip which has the elephant dangle in it. Hope you can see that. Then you get this little piece of die cut, which is a grass, which you can put on your cards if you're making cards. And then you get these awesome, oh, I know. So what was that for? It's that, where is that to? So it's this. This is here. There you go. And then you get some postcards. Oh, what's in here? Oh, you get die cuts again. Animal die cuts. They're so cute. That is so cute. And more journal cards. This one is, I think this is a plastic pocket for your TN or for your planners. Oh my goodness. Is that okay, so that could fit in. Yeah, nice. B6. You get a little plastic pocket to put your bits and bobs in. Then you get a sheet of animal stickers. I love how she looks. And then you get your beautiful papers. So I'll put them one by one there. Hope you can see it without any shadow. This is beautiful. I like this. There are like sloths here. Dots. Is that zebra print? And some kind of like, oh, can't remember what they're called, but some kind of like a patterned Oh, I can't remember the name, but they're beautiful. Like mandala like things. So there you go, guys. That's the January Wild About You Crafty Bonbons box. Again, another awesome box from Crafty Ali, from Ali and Debbie. They always put together an awesome box, not year after year, month after month. You can either use it for your crafting, your journaling, your card making, so on and so forth. I always enjoy receiving my box from them because everything's just awesome. So yeah, head on to their Facebook group if you want to see sneak peeks of future boxes, and sometimes they have bargain boxes, but most of the time it gets sold out. So hope you like what I've shared, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.